Welcome to DPS TajCity, the first and only Cambridge-affiliated school of Agra where every opportunity for success is just a step away. With the Cambridge pathway, students build more than just a deep understanding of their subject. They also develop higher-order thinking skills so that they can apply what they have learned. Once on campus, your child will discover a world of endless possibilities. From state-of-the-art facilities to cutting-edge technology, we provide an environment that fosters curiosity, creativity, and critical thinking. Picture this: architectural marvels housing state-of-the-art facilities so advanced, they make the future look like the past. Surrounded by technology so cutting-edge, it's slicing through the boundaries of what's possible, catapulting young minds into new dimensions of knowledge. Within these walls, ordinary is a myth, impossible a mere challenge, and extraordinary the daily norm. Your child won't just learn, they'll be transformed, reborn, and redefined. Welcome to our sanctuary of dreams, where the impossible is just another puzzle waiting to be solved. Join us and behold the future today. 10 reasons to choose the Cambridge pathway. Are you ready to embark on an educational journey like no other? At DPS TajCity, we believe in providing a holistic learning experience that goes beyond the classroom. First and foremost, transportation is a breeze at DPS TajCity. Our fleet of modern buses is ready to whisk your child safely to and from school. Say goodbye to traffic woes and hello to a stress-free commute. Step inside our classrooms and be amazed. We take pride in offering air-conditioned classrooms that provide a comfortable and conducive learning environment. From interactive whiteboards to modern teaching aids, we ensure that our students have access to the best educational resources. Our commitment to nurturing talent and creativity shines through in our dedicated music, dance, and drama rooms. Students can explore their artistic passions, express themselves, and discover the joy of performing arts. To encourage physical fitness, we have well-equipped PE rooms where students can engage in a variety of sports activities. And if your child loves swimming, our magnificent swimming pool will be their favorite spot. Our top-notch aquatic facility provides the perfect opportunity for students to learn swimming, develop water safety skills, and enjoy recreational water activities. From spacious hallways adorned with student artwork to vibrant classrooms, every corner is a testament to our dedication to excellence. Welcome to the heart of knowledge and imagination. Discover a world of books, resources, and endless possibilities at the DPS TajCity Library. As you explore our campus, you'll be captivated by the breathtaking architecture and design.